Hi, here I'm gonna show you how you are going to make a redirection of your SFI link via Google account. A redirection of your link you can make through many things. You can make through GoDaddy, you can make through Namecheap, you can make through Dinadot. There are a lot of companies out there. The problem, sometimes you will pay for it and it won't work after you did this redirection. So here you will do it without money, completely free. What you have to do to sign up with Google account, open one Gmail. After you did it, go here on Google page and press here on this here, and you'll get all these Google possibilities. Press down on Blogger and open Blogger page. Once you are signed with Google, here you'll just get this blog and go here on New Blog. After you went to New Blog, choose title and address of blog. The two should be related to your work. Title, I'll put work from home because this is a job work from home. Address is a little bit tricky because the most of good addresses are taken. So I'll try here, get job from home. Here, oh sorry, it went up. Okay, I'll take it down, and you will see most probably it is taken. Get job from home, it doesn't want to take now. Like this must be written, get job from home, and of course, as you see, it is not available. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna add some number to be more easy and not to waste your time. So number 1 is available. Scroll down and you will get create blog. Press on create blog, and after you did it, here you are on your new blog. Don't open here, because if you open here you'll be able to write blog, but press here, look on this third, first, second, third, press on it and get template. Press on template, and after it opened, press on this edit HTML. Just a moment to open it. Here we are, and then scroll down, search for this word, head. After the bracket of head, enter, press enter, and then here you will paste code. I'll show you. This is the code. Look. Now, all this is a code, what you need to press, and this will be your SFI landing page address. The thing you have to do here, press here and replace this X's by your SFI number. If you don't replace this X's, then it will not land in your SFI landing page. I made this X's here just to show you how to do it, and then save template. Press on save template. After that, we are going to see our blog. Open blog in new tab and go to new tab. This address copy, and then allow to go to the next page and see what will happen. We will finish on the landing page of SFI. What is the important here? Let me stop this. You see here there is no number. Why there is no number? Simply, let me stop this man. There is no SFI number because there are those X's. As I told you, if you replace those X's here, you will have SFI number. Now I'm gonna show you when we go to Facebook account. I'm here in my Facebook account, and to press it, look, I'll put this just I'm going to put this link, watch it, and post. Post. Facebook didn't reject this link. Look, get job from home 1. I'll press it and look what will open. Will open landing page of SFI, of course without any number, because as I told you, to repeat again, I didn't put any number in it. You will put your own number in it, and that's it. This is all for now in this video. If you have any questions, contact me and I'll help you. Bye.